Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn top 7 Microsoft Excel tips and tricks, which helps you to work easily and fast. Please watch this video till end for exploring new tricks. First, we will learn about Ctrl+R key. If we want text to copy on right side, we have to type that text multiple times. But here I will tell you about Ctrl+R key. You have to select that cell which contain text, then drag the cursor on right side till you're required to copy this text. Then press Ctrl+R. You have copied the same text by this trick. Now we move to our second trick, which is Ctrl+D key. If we want text to copy in column, we have to select the cell which contain text, then drag down. Then press Ctrl+D. Text copied in column up to required cell. Now we move to our second sheet. Here we have sheet already prepared, which have column of department with empty cell. Here we apply same second trick. Type education and select this cell and drag it down till end. Now press Ctrl+D. Department is filled with education without typing in each cell. Now we move to learn third trick. We can apply filter on table by just clicking Ctrl+Shift+I. Select complete table and then press Ctrl+Shift+I. Filter will apply automatically on table rather than selecting from data tab. You can filter the cell by selecting text filter and then equal. Type text which you want to filter in table. You can remove filter from clear filter. This filter will disappear from same Ctrl+Shift+I key. Select the complete table and then press same keys. Now we move to our fourth shortcut key, that is Ctrl+1. Ctrl+1 is used for cell formatting, for example to change number from general form to currency form. Select the column and then Ctrl+1. Format cell window will open. Go to currency and format it as per your requirement. Column is formatted in your required currency. Now we move to our fifth shortcut key, that is F2 key. F2 key is used to edit any cell without deleting the complete text as shown in screen. Our sixth shortcut key is Alt+=, which is used for AutoSum, as shown in screen. Our seventh shortcut key is F12 key, which is used to open save as dialog box. You can save the file in any drive as you're required. I'm saving this file on desktop. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.